This is an exciting and busy week at SPARQ-ed. We are currently hosting a senior immersion program where students from across Queensland in years 10, 11 and 12 join us here at TRI, bringing their joy and enthusiasm for science. They're going to work in our lab and in our classroom to solve a research project inspired by one of the researchers at TRI.
Let's get into it.
It's a great collaboration with the Queensland Department of Education. We've got excellent teachers here, but we supplement that with some of our really exciting researchers to actually give them hands-on expertise, tell them stories about science and show them how it's done.
Yeah, these are the future scientists. This is our STEM outreach. You know, we want to get people excited about cell biology in particular, and cancer research is what my lab does. So we want to bring them in and show them the tools that we use every day in the lab and how we solve problems.
Today we've had a little 96 well plate that essentially has a bunch of cells on it. So our specific one had breast cancer cells. And so these have been grown in those little wells. And then we've been treating it with a bunch of chemicals which essentially like stain different parts of it.
We design experiments that address questions that we're trying to solve in the lab. And we use the same methods that we use in the lab, so the students really get a feeling of what it's like to be a researcher.
I feel like we've sort of been immersed in it and not treated so much as students but as fellow researchers.
I don't think you get the same experience in a school setting than what you do when you're over here. And being able to interact with fantastic teachers and our researchers, I think that really just sets it apart.
I think it's incredible, how they continuously searching for answers to questions that everybody in the world or scientists are looking for, and I think it's really interesting how they're inviting young people as well into the discussion.
It's different from school. At school there's usually only a few people who are really interested in what you're doing, whereas in this environment everyone is really engaged with what you're doing.
SPARQ-ed bridges the gap between school science and real-world scientific research programs and outcomes, and highlights the kind of incredible opportunities for young people considering a career in this field.
Hi, I'm Harry. I've just completed SPARQ-ed here, and it's been a wonderful experience. These past 5 days have been awesome. I've never analysed 700,000 data points before. I've never looked at things through the microscope at such an in-depth level.
It is our goal to be the leaders in Australian STEM education and to inspire these young people and help them realise their aspirations to be the future leaders and innovators in the field of science.
It's awesome. Yeah, it's been really good.
It's been really good and the food is really good.